In the image, we can see a classroom scene where students are sitting at wooden desks writing in their notebooks. There is a blackboard at the front covered with drawings and written notes likely related to a geography lesson. The main focus of the image is on the students concentrating on their tasks, which suggests that they are taking a test or completing a classroom exercise. The other objects in the image are wooden desks, simple benches, and a blackboard filled with scribbles and instructions. The classroom walls are plain, giving it a traditional and modest feel. It's difficult to tell about the weather, but I think it is sunny, as we can see some sunlight coming through the windows, brightening the room. It is difficult to tell anything about where this picture was taken, as there is no information about the place. It is not possible to tell who clicked the image, maybe a teacher or an observer documenting the classroom activities.